Welcome to Subhuti Miss channel. Like and subscribe. Hello student, we will continue this chapter. Now here this is the topic is game time. Here is a chessboard. Play this game with your partner with one set of 12 shapes. Okay. So this is 8 into 8, and the first player picks one shape from the set. You will be having 12 shapes, and there will be two players, first player and second player, and first player picks one shape from the set and puts it on the board covering any 5 squares. Suppose this girl have put this shape, or this boy, this is I think Asif, and the other player picks another shape and puts it on the board, but it must not overlap first shape. Okay, if she will put any shape, it should not be overlapped the first shape. Okay, so keep taking turns until one of you can't go any further. Whoever puts the last piece wins. Okay, so make your own tile. Next topic is make your own tile. I hope that in fourth standard you have learned about the floor patterns, and same thing you have to do. Ziri went to a shop and was surprised to see the different designs of tiles on the floor. Aren't these beautiful? See, this is the design of a tile, and what is the shape of this tile? A rectangular shape. And then can you find the tile which is repeated to make each of these floor patterns? Circle a tile in each pattern. Okay, you have to circle a tile in each pattern. So see, I think this one. Okay. After looking at the patterns, Ziri wanted to make her own yellow tile. You too make a tile this way. Okay. So this is an activity that you also have to do. Okay. All students have to do this activity. You have to make your own tile. Now here it is already taught how to make your own tile. First step is take a piece of cardboard or thick paper. Draw a square of side 3 centimeter on it. Okay, square you have to draw, and whose side is 3 centimeter. Draw a triangle on any one of the side of this square. Then you have to draw a triangle. Then draw another triangle of the same size on the another side of the square, but this time draw it inside the square. You have to draw it inside the square. Cut this shape from the cardboard. Your tile is ready. What is its area? You have to find out what is its area. Now next is make a pattern using your tile. Trace the shape to repeat it on a page, but remember there must be no gaps between them. Okay, so you have to make a pattern. All of you have seen, no, the tiles on the floor, on the walls, there is a pattern to place a tile. Okay, so I think you all of you must have tiles in your home, and there you can check the pattern. Suppose this is Ziri's tiles pattern. See how she has put, how beautifully she has put these tiles. See, this is one tile. Okay, another one. Now this also you can see, this will be the shape of her tile, this. Okay, and this pattern is coming out by putting her tile in a pattern. Okay, so this pattern is coming out. Answer these. How many tiles has she used? Okay, so count how many tiles she has used. 12 tiles she has used. Okay, what's the area of the flow pattern Ziri has made here? You have to find out the area. You just find out the area of the one tile, then after that you multiply it with 12, because 12 tiles she has used. One tile area here it is. This is the shape she has cut it down. See, Mm, this shape she has cut. Okay, and after that she has put. So you find this, the area of this shape, and after that you can multiply the one tile area with the 12 tiles. You will find out the area of the floor pattern. Okay, Now next, Ziri tried to make some other tiles. She started with a square of 2 centimeters side and make shapes like this. Okay, so you can also try to make your own tiles. Look at these carefully and find out which of these shapes will tile a floor without any gaps, and what is the area of these shapes. Make design in your copy by tiling those shapes. Now you create your own new tiles out of a square. Can you do the same with a triangle? Yes, you can do it. Okay, so one activity you have to do, what you have to do, you have to make your own tile, and after that you have to draw a pattern by using your tile design. Okay, so here we have finished this chapter. If any doubt you are having, if any problem you are facing in this chapter, you can message me. I will here to answer you. Okay, thank you.